Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Kubernetes tools from your local machine, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Kubernetes tools from your local machine, start by opening your terminal or command prompt. First, check which Kubernetes tools are currently installed. If you have Minikube installed, you can remove it by typing minikube delete in your terminal. This command will stop any running Minikube clusters and delete their configurations. Next, to uninstall Minikube itself, use the package manager you originally chose for installation. For example, if you installed Minikube using Homebrew on macOS, run brew uninstall Minikube. For Linux users who installed it via apt, use sudo apt-get remove Minikube. Now, let's remove kubectl. To uninstall kubectl, which is the command line tool for Kubernetes, locate where kubectl is installed. You can find its location by typing which kubectl in your terminal. Once you have the path, you can remove it. If you installed kubectl using Homebrew, run brew uninstall kubectl. If you use curl or wget to install it, you can remove it using sudo rmrf/usr/local/bin/. If you are using Docker Desktop for Windows or macOS, Kubernetes is included as an optional feature. To disable Kubernetes in Docker Desktop, open the application and navigate to Settings. Under the Kubernetes tab, uncheck the Enable Kubernetes option and then click Apply and Restart. Now, if you want to remove any remaining components, you may need to check for related files or directories. Look in directories like /.kuba and /etc/Kubernetes for any configuration files or other remnants. You can safely delete these directories if you no longer need any saved configurations or context. After removing these files, it's a good idea to restart your terminal. Now, verify whether the uninstallation was successful by running kubectl version or minikube version. If the commands return an error or indicate that the tools are not found, you have successfully uninstalled Kubernetes tools from your local machine. With these steps, your local setup will be free of any Kubernetes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.